what is up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Amber, and in this video I am going to show you this super cute hairstyle, completely glueless, and it's something that I'm definitely not used to, but I'm loving it. This is a ready to go wig, meaning you can put this wig on and literally go out the door, so keep on watching for more details. So the company that I received my package from today was from Luvme. And listen, if you go to their website, the link is in my description box, they have a ton, and I repeat, a ton of different hairstyles available for us, because their slogan is switching it up is everything. You know, they have different hairstyles that fit different types of need, which is amazing, right? Plus all of their units are affordable, which is another great thing as well. So in my box came obviously my hair and then also some extra goodies, these ones, also a user's guide and some wig caps and an extra satin bag. And this is the hair. This is an Afro unit highlight 5x5 lace closure unit. And this can be worn completely glueless, and the cap is very breathable. The knots are bleached. It has a side part, but you can also wear this with a middle part or the part on the other side. So yeah, you can completely customize this to your liking, but this is just how it came straight out of the box, and that's how I'm going to wear it as well. So I quickly rinsed this unit with some water in the sink because I am going to style. I'm going to make these curls pop. You know, you can completely leave it like this. You can wear this unit like this, but me, I like to do something extra because I can see already how these curls are going to define beautifully and clump very nicely together. So I'm just going to apply some curl defining gel. A little bit of product goes a long way, and then I'm going to take my tangle teaser and just define those curls even better, you know, to make them less super perfect like it came straight out of the box. And while styling and manipulating this hair, I noticed that I had a little bit of shedding, but nothing too major, which is completely normal. You know, most times with those kinky curly units, you have shedding, but that's only when you style the hair and detangle and comb and everything, which is not a bad thing at all. This hair is still very full, and you will see that in a second. So yeah, styling literally took me just 10 minutes, not even longer than that. And now I can let it air dry or diffuse the hair. This is how it looks when it's all done. And I diffused the hair for like 15 minutes, and now I'm gonna apply it on my hair. This is how it looks once it's dry. Actually, it's not 100% dry right now. It's about 80% dry, but I wanted to go ahead and try this wig on my head because I was just like, let me see what it does. You know, I want to see what I'm working with. So I had to get used to this side part of it because I usually don't wear side parts, especially not on that side. I usually wear my parts on the other side of my head. So I was just like, I don't know about this. But honestly, after customizing it a little bit and playing with my hair, I started to love it, okay? And I'm just quickly blow drying the rest of my hair because it was still a bit wet, but that was taken care of in not more than 5 minutes. So this hair dries very good, and it's extremely soft, and it's super easy to manage. The curls don't tangle at all. It's voluminous, it's fluffy. Like, I really am impressed with the quality of this curly hair, and it looks natural as well. See, that's the thing. You need to define those curls with a tangle teaser and some extra curl defining gel. And you can wear this unit completely glueless. As you can see, the only thing I'm wearing is my wig cap. That's it. you can install this unit in 20 seconds and you're good to go. That's why it's like a ready to go unit, and they have tons of different other styles as well, but this one is super cute, like especially with the highlights. The quality of the highlighted parts is amazing as well, not dry at all, extremely soft, and I love it. And the thing about Luvme here, they have a ton of different hairstyles, a ton of different ready-to-go wigs. You have classic styles, you know, the black long units, but you also have bold styles with colors, blondes, highlights, and everything. So you should definitely check them out, especially for the price. We are all baddies balling on a budget. So if you feel like you don't want to spend too many coins, but you still want a great quality hair unit, then you should definitely check out the links in my description box. Okay, so yeah, let me know down below what you think of this look on me. I really like it. It's super cute, and thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.